Right then, another induction kit video. This time it's for the 2 litre common rail Ibiza A1 and Polo platform vehicles. You can see we've done another collaboration with Ram Air. So we're using a Pro-Ram filter and we've got a Darkside branded heat shield. We're installing it on this Ibiza, which we did have other plans for, but engine scrap, so the car's getting scrapped.
There's a bit of engine block. There's a piston, well, bits of a piston.
If you see anything on here you want, speak to SRS or drop SRS an email, because he'll be having it shortly. So we're just going to do a little installation video. Should be straightforward, probably less than half an hour's work. If there's any more kits you want us to look at developing, let us know in the comments. We are working on the A4 B8. We've got some 3D printed versions, so we'll be getting the aluminium version done shortly. If you want these kit, link will be in the description below. Thanks.